In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless wig from Vivica 𝒹𝒶𝒶 Peekaboo collection. Keep watching for the full install.
I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So of course you guys know I have a new unit today. Okay, this is the unit Peekaboo. We got the Peekaboo collection, and I bet you're wondering, like, why is it called Peekaboo? Baby, it has a little pop of color. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just a little peekaboo. Nothing too much, not too much, okay? So let's open her up and let me show you guys the details on this unit. I did get this hair with 𝒹𝒶𝒶 hair subscription package, and they sent your girl an extra wig. So this is a bonus wig that I'm going to be showing you guys. This is the stock card, so if you see this stock card anywhere, the Vivica 𝒹𝒶𝒶 hair collection, Vivica 𝒹𝒶𝒶. Let me correct myself. Let me put some respect on her name.
Put some respect on my name. You understand me? When y'all saying my name, put some respect on it.
Okay, if you ever want to know any links to these units, check my description box. I'm gonna help you out, girl. Okay, they come in several colors, such as like purple, pink. This blue is what I got, and lime yellow or greenish, in between there. And at the top it is black, and at the back it's a color, and that's why it's called Peekaboo. Okay, so this is a HD front lace. It has natural baby hairs. It is a invisible center part, and yeah, I'm not for sure how long it is, but it does take 356 to 392 degrees. Right, so let's look at this. It doesn't tell you how long it is, but I mean, looking at it, it's pretty short. I'm talking about like 16, 18 inches. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's look at it. Look at that. It has some baby hairs. Oh, pop of color, Peekaboo. Don't forget to take the gut out. Okay. This is so cute. This is giving like a really long bob. Can you guys see the color? You really can't even see the color. Not like that. But it's there. It is there. Hey, this is so cute. Yeah, this might be a 16-inch. It's not long. So let's get into the details. So as you can see, it is a center part, has baby hairs, and like I told you, it is a 16-inch. I'm gonna say it's a 16-inch, and she does have like a little curve at the bottom, so that's cool. Let's see the inside. So we have two combs right here on the side, and we have one comb in the back, and we also have the adjustable straps. And it's very light. It's not heavy at all. It's very breathable. If you can see the caps, how everything is laid out, this is very breathable. If you can see, look at that. Girl, this is so cute. Look at that. This is so cute. So it can't take much heat, but I want to put a little heat to it, of course, to get it flat as much as I can. So let's get started. So I have my stocking cap on already. It's the one I used the last time. It is what it is, but this shall do. So let's go ahead and let's put this unit on. The adjustable straps is good to go, and I'm ready. Oh, it is a lot of room in here. Ooh. Okay, this is, oh wow, y'all, it's not too often I get a straight unit. And this is so beautiful. I love the color, the color. This is so pretty. I love the peekaboo. That is too cute. I love that. Like, this is a beautiful bling. Like, I love this. Look at that. This is so pretty. Look at that. I'm loving this, girl. Peekaboo, peekaboo. I love this hair. So soft. I'm so ready. And it's a deep part too. Okay, so. Okay, Vivica A. Fox. What you doing, girl? What is you really doing right now? Like, the touch, everything about this unit is perfect. Okay, so let me go ahead and let me get this hair, and I am gonna push the baby hairs back. Y'all, I kind of want to wear this glueless. I'm wondering, can I wear this glueless? Just wondering. Well, let me push all this back because I am about to work with this lace, honey. Do you hear me? This is pretty. I'm loving that it's a deep part. I like that. It's a lot of room in this wig. Like, everything, it's so stretchy. I love that. I just love that. And like I told you guys, I want to do this glueless. I don't want to lay it down. I don't want to do any of that. So I'm being dead serious this time, because normally I lay my wigs down, girl. I will lay it down, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna wear this glueless. I don't even know if it says it's glueless, to be honest. We're gonna make it do what it do. And if I can't do it glueless, then I'm gonna lay it down. You already know. So let me go ahead and let's cut this lace. This could possibly be worn glueless. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to pluck this unit the best I can. I ain't saying I'm the best when it comes to plucking, because I ain't. I can just see things and I just go with it, if that makes sense. I don't think it makes sense, but it's okay. Just watch me.
back when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Oh, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, don't get the fuck from me. I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not gon' want for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me. Say nothing to keep it so quiet.
Girl, let me talk about this unit. Baby, I wore this glueless, and y'all know I always lay my wigs down, but baby, I'm surprised that I wore this glueless. Absolutely love it. This unit is a 10 out of a 10. I can't believe that I actually like it, and it's not because of the color. It's more so that it's straight, and I normally don't wear straight hair, but baby, this right here, this looks good. Me being a girly that loves long hair, baby, this is very short. Not like very short, but it is a short unit, but it looks so good. I love the blue. I love the black. I love everything about it, including the lace. Let's talk about the lace. So I ended up putting a foundation on my lace, and you know, I didn't lay it down, and it looks so good. I also use my hot comb to flatten the top. Overall, baby, this unit is perfect right out of the bag. But anyway, this is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz.